Okay, what? This is so cool. Kind of looks like a deodorant, but this is brand new from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a serum boosted skin tint called the Beauty Balm. Super light and sheer coverage, as you can see here. I'm trying out two shades. This one I think will be too yellow for me, so I'm going to go with the first one. Here's the first swipe. That's always so satisfying. There's actually some coverage there, but let's keep going and blend this out. It feels really nice on the skin. Actually feels like a serum. I'm blending it out with my fingers because I feel like that's going to be best for this product. Let's go ahead and also do the other side. You can kind of see this is a good color for me. This is in shade 10. It has a very natural, smooth finish. The texture is almost like velvety smooth. It gave me 4 shades, and one of the shades was shade 12, which I'm kind of using as a bronzer because I feel like it's a little deeper and can work. This blends like a dream though. This is definitely more on the unique side. I haven't seen a product like this, but it's kind of cool, very travel friendly. Comes in 16 different shades. I'm doing a no makeup kind of look. This is the final look. Really cool for those easy no makeup days. This is how much product you get in the stick. Here it is in natural light. Overall, I love it.